might return. It wouldn't be easy to find an excuse to leave the station and travel to Polis, but I had given my word. I learned that the caravan was heading to Riga the next day and needed guards. I signed on for the ride.
Постой, паровоз, не стучите колеса. Кондуктор, нажми на тормоза.
Finally! Taking your time as usual, huh? Alright, grab your gear, go to the platform, they're waiting for us. I'll meet you there. Hey, Artyom, don't forget anything, huh?
Вот стоц перевертоться, бабушка здорова. Вот стоц перевертоться, кушает компот. Вот стоц перевертоться и мечтает снова. Вот стоц перевертоться, пережить налет.
Sorry, Artem. This part of the station is under temporary lockdown. Only the guards may pass. Sorry.
Hey, that's some nice music. Hey, where did you get that?
Tired of this shit.
Got it from a ranger for a ton of ammo.
Alright, then try something else. How about... I know. How about the house where you'd like to live with your mom and dad? Oh, come on.
A house?
No!
A big one?
And with your mom comes back, show it to her and she'll be happy.
Dirt everywhere, just dirt. People are filth, you know? Liars, hypocrites, traitors, everywhere.
Look who's talking about dirt. Walking around and leaving those dirty footprints everywhere. Not giving a damn about me so to clean it up after them. That's something to
Didn't I ask you to stay close? Looking for you all over the place ain't no fun at all. Don't make me worry like that, okay?
Okay, Daddy. I'm sorry.
Artyom, please. My son's sick. Could you spare a couple of cartridges? I'll pay you back as soon as I can.
Go find the money to buy the medicine.
Thanks, Artyom. I knew I could count on you.
There is standard medic for
They are fresh. Drunk again. Get the hell out of this slum.
Yes?
You drink like there's no tomorrow.
Make your
And
choice,
there
huh?
won't be if you don't get your ass home.
Yeah, great choice. It's a deal.
Let's go. Move it, you wine sack.
Artyom, where's your gear? No, go to the armory and get geared up.
Hello, Artem. So, what do you make of that new guy? He seems...
Hello, Artyom. You need some weapons? Okay, let's take a look. Submachine gun, 5.45 caliber, made in the armory. It's got poor accuracy and overheats like hell. That's why they call it a bastard gun. Use short bursts, Artyom. Help yourself to some ammo, too. Here's a universal charger to keep the battery powered. And a gas mask. Put it on if you crossed any radiation hot zones. Or, God help you, go up to the surface. Army issue first aid kits, just in case. Okay, you're supplied, my friend. Feel free to try out your weapon on my firing range. And you try not to stick out your head too much, okay?
Jesus Christ. It taught me one thing. If your number's up, no one
Do you think one day we could go back up to the surface? I've never seen Moscow, just the old pictures.
Hi, how are you, Artyom?
Come in, son. You're ready to set off? Good. You've probably heard that our station is creating an alliance with Riga. We're sending them a couple of rail cars with humanitarian goods, some weapons, and some miscellaneous gear. That's the cargo you'll be looking after. It's not a very long trip, and it should not be too hard. Artyom, one thing before you go. I can see that you look up to Hunter, but a ranger's life is different than ours. They are reckless, even violent by nature. There's nothing to be gained by playing the hero, so stay clear of trouble. See the caravan to its destination and come home as soon as possible. Goodbye, my boy.
Okay, that's it. Put it down.
Back. My back. One more!
Give me some rest. Can't even get a break for a smoke.
Artyom! Artyom, here! Move it!
He said he was happy to know that
Привет!
kept saying with its help.
So you ready to move out?
That thing had gone here.
Are you ready? Well, let's go then.
Invention was the number one negative in the world. It's worse than being that invented the guillotine.
You take that seat, Artyom, and you, Eugene, take this one. Did anybody forget anything?
So, you get your gear? Let's go then.
Hey guys, going to Riga?
Yeah, we are.
Can I get a lift?
Sure, but no free rides. You'll have to pull the lever sometimes.
I can do that.
Let's go then. Alrighty then. Good luck to everyone staying home, and to us too.
Boy,
Let's go.
good luck to us.
So, are you ready to finally be somewhere else?
Oh, Artyomka! Free at last, huh? Well, for as long as the ride takes anyway. Should be fun. More dangerous. Even better, right?